Good morning, dear students. Last class I discussed about the derivative of exponential function and logarithm function. Okay, all of you clear it? Today we will discuss logarithmic differentiation. Means by the help of logarithm, how to differentiate easily. So logarithm is used if the function is in two types. One is if the function y equal to f of x equal to u of x to the power v of x. That means both base and exponent both are the variable of x. We can use the logarithm and it will be easy to differentiate. Again, if the function is the product of two or more functions, then by the help of logarithm, if you differentiate, it will be more easy. So, okay. First we will discuss if the function is u of x to the power v of x, means both base and exponent both are in variable form. Now, for suppose the y equal to u of x to the power v of x, taking log both sides, log y equal to log u of x to the power v of x, according to the property of logarithm function, you may write v of x log u of x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx. Now this is the product rule. U of x one function, another function is log u of x. So by using product rule, you may write v dash x into log u of x plus g of x into derivative of log u of x is 1 by u of x multiply u of x derivative of u dash x, or dy by dx equal to y multiply v dash x log u of x plus u dash x into v of x divide u of x. This is the dy by dx you will find like this way. Second type, if the function is y equal to f of x equal to suppose g of x into h of x into s of x, like that, product of three functions. So when you take logarithm, log y equal to log g of x plus log h of x plus log s of x. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx equal to dy by dx multiply 1 by y into dy by dx, that equal to log g of x derivative is 1 by g of x into g dash x plus 1 by h of x into h dash x plus 1 by s of x into s dash x, or dy by dx equal to y multiply g dash x divide g of x plus h dash x divide h of x plus s dash x divide s of x. Like this way you will find dy by dx. So like this way you are differentiate when the function is either in u of x to the power v of x, or if it is the product of two or more functions, or in that case also y equal to u of x to the power v of x. If the function is like this way, direct you can write also the short method. I will say dy by dx equal to, you just write the question u of x to the power v of x, then write d by dx of exponent v of x multiply log base u of x. This is the short way to differentiate if the function is u of x to the power v of x. This is another formula. Okay, now we'll do some examples.